Good morning. How are you guys doing today? I'm going to show you a little trick for those of you who may not have all the fun little gadgets that comes around. This is an old-fashioned way of doing an envelope lining, and it's so simple. So let's get going here and I'll show you a quick method. You take your envelope, and if these are the kinds that you take, that's fine. Just take it apart, as in ripping it open to the seams. If you run your fingers through it quite easily, it should open up pretty good, like that. Then you'll take your scissors, and you will, or your paper cutter. You will do this, okay? You will cut it down, and then here you're going to cut this part and this part. So you're going to cut it just in the inside of that line. Again on the inside, just on the inside of the line. And you see where that glue is right there? You're going to cut it all the way around following that glue line. And I'm going to show you. Just follow the glue line all the way around like this. Especially where the holidays are coming, you may want to put a little bit more effort in your cards, and because it's going to go to, you know, friends and loved ones and so forth. So you kind of want to make it that much special. You can do it with coordinating paper, or you could do it with metallic paper. You could do it with shimmer paper, whatever you like. This is going to be your template, and you're going to want to keep this with you. So all you need to do at this point, it doesn't matter what side, you are going to line it up with the side of your whatever paper that you want to line the inside with. I put it. And then I'm going to take a pencil, guys, and I am just going to follow the sides.
So, because a lot of us don't have all the little, you know, economically it can get a little expensive. Most of us are raising a family or on a pension, and you don't have a raise in a pension. It is what it is. So, so you know, it's kind of nice to have little tricks to still make something beautiful. It might take a few minutes more, but hey, what's a few minutes more? You'll then cut it on the line, and you will cut it around that envelope, just on the inside of the line again, like that. Like that. And here, guys, this should fit comfortably into your envelope. Between both sides, it should fit. It is catching into that. There you go. Maybe I just cut it. Looks like it's cut straight, but who knows? Oh, there's something in the envelope that is stopping it. There you go. So you just slide her right into that, like that, and this is, guys, your envelope liner, and it's going to sit right underneath, so it will not bother the glue. You just bend your envelope down like this. You have yourself your your liner. You put some glue behind here. You just lay it down, and voila, you have yourself an insert for a card. And it does make your thing a little sturdier, but not necessarily thicker. I hope you've enjoyed this little tip, guys. Envelope liner, simple as ABC. Got your template for the next one, and it doesn't matter what type of envelope, just do the exact same thing. This is Yvonne, and I'm signing off for now, but you guys have yourself a crafty day, and we'll look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye now.